afternoon, dear students. I'm Golodova Olga Viktorovna. I'm teacher of English at B.Rimова Gymnasium School, and today we have an English lesson. Let's start. The theme of our lesson, discussing healthy habits and healthy living and learning about the food pyramid. At first, let's start with the checking your home task. It was exercise 7 at page 89. At this exercise, you should fill in the correct words, phrase from the list. Let's check. I play basketball after school 2 days a week, and I often go cycling at weekends. I also walk to school every day. Exercise makes me feel positive about myself and keeps me fit. After doing lots of exercise, I always get a really good night's sleep. I now eat plenty of fresh fruit and vegetables and do some physical activity every day. Last year, I was overweight and I didn't feel very confident about myself. Today, I eat a more balanced diet and I have lost weight. Now, I feel much better about myself. Guys, if you have 6 or 5 right answers, you are an excellent student. But today, we are going to read and recount the text using the topical vocabulary. But at first, I want to show you one video. Look through this picture and watch attentively the video. And think about what is the theme of our lesson.
Hello friends! Welcome to a new happy learning video. Today, we are going to learn a bit more about healthy eating. Something very important to all of us. We already know that healthy foods are fundamental for our existence. They help us grow, be strong, and be healthy. To eat healthily, one must learn about the variety and quantities of the food we eat. We need to learn about the food pyramid and follow its steps. Here it is.
As you can see at the video and at this picture, we are going to talk about the food, healthy food, a food pyramid indeed. Here you can see the biggest shelf of the food pyramid. It is in green color. Here you can find vegetables, salad and fruit. And we should eat it about 5 or 7 times per day. But look at the top of the pyramid. Here you can find the chocolate, chips, candies, colas, all of we like. We can eat it, but not every day. As you remember, we are going to read the text. So let's start with the words by the theme. Repeat after me, please. Designed, designed, protein, protein, carbohydrates, carbohydrates, minerals, minerals, fat, fat, vitamins, vitamins, amount of nutrients, amount of nutrients, to maintain, shelves of the food pyramid, shelves of the food pyramid, following the food pyramid, following the food pyramid, guide, guide, provide, provide, supplements, supplements, within, within, essential, essential. Okay, you are good. Let's start with the reading. Can you start? I will help you. The food pyramid. The food pyramid is designed to make healthy eating easier. Healthy eating is about getting the correct amount of nutrients, protein, fat, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals you need to maintain good health. Foods that contain the same type of nutrients are grouped together on each of shelves of the food pyramid. This gives you a choice of different foods from which to choose a healthy diet. Following the food pyramid as a guide will help you get the right balance of nutritious food within your calorie range. Studies show that we take too many calories from food and drinks high in fat, sugar, and salt on the top of the food pyramid. They provide very little of essential vitamins and minerals your body needs. Limiting this is essential for healthy eating. Supplements. If you eat a varied and balanced diet, then there is normally no need to take any food supplements. You'll get everything you need from your food. Think about the questions and answer the questions, please. What is the food pyramid? The food pyramid is about getting correct amount of nutrients, protein, fat, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals you need to maintain good health. What is on the top of the pyramid? Fat, sugar, and salt are on the top shelf of the food pyramid. Do we need sugar, fat, salt for our health? Why? For example, I think we need sugar and fat to get energy for our body. And what about the salt? I think salt makes our food more tasty. How do you think? But by the text, they provide very little of the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs. Think about these questions because they will help you to do your home task. Your home task will be retell the text and answer for these questions, and it will be your retelling. What is the food pyramid? What is on the top of the pyramid? Do we need sugar, fat, salt for our health? And why? And at the end of our lesson, I want you to make reflection. I have learned about the food pyramid. The new for me was that we should eat fruit, vegetables, salad about 5-7 times a day. I want to know more about advantages of eating sugar, salt, fat, for example. Think about this. And don't forget about your home task. See you the next time. Bye!